guys, so today we're going to see how to write an HTTP put method in Node.js. So that's our task today. Let's write a HTTP put method here. Create an API method that accepts a put request client. Okay, so this is what we're going to do today. Let's go to our home.js file. Let's create app dot. Similarly, similar to get and post, we have app.put. So this is basically like a combination of both get and post, so where you can actually pass parameters /id, and also you can pass the object in the method body. Okay, so that's the whole idea of put method, where you can actually pass id here, and also you can get the request body. Okay, yeah, so for now I'm just get request dot params dot body, request dot body, employee id equals request dot params dot id. Let's print these values in console and find out whether whatever that we pass from the client gets passed here. Okay, it's going to be simple. Log request body, we just have to send a dummy response. Employee details successfully. Yeah, that's it. So what we are doing is in line 29 we get the request body, and line 30 we get the employee ID through query parameters. Okay, this is the idea of put. Basically, we use put wherever we want to update one particular resource, one particular value in the database, one particular record in the database. Whenever we want to update one single resource, we use put, whereas post is basically creating entries, is basically adding entries. So if you request put twice or thrice or even 10 times, there is no big impact. Whatever you're passing, the latest value will be updated to it. Whereas if you do a post request twice, this would create issues, because it is going to create duplicate copies of records. So calling post twice or thrice is not a good idea. Even we should restrict it. Whereas calling put twice or thrice or 10 times doesn't make any difference. So that's the difference between put and post. You have to use post whenever you want to add values to the table, or add values to the array. Whenever you want to just accumulate stuff, you use post. Whenever you want to just change, alter things, we use. Yeah, that's the whole idea behind post. And now let's run our application and see how it works. Server is started. Let's issue a new request. The request is going to be put. Type our URL localhost 3000 /employee/10, and let's just pass a JSON value, name, Ravi. Yeah, let's just send the method get the response. So we get employee ID as 10 and he is object, right? Let's just, what we do, we just add json.stringify. Kill the server and start again, do the request again. Okay, so yeah, this is what we get, right? We get first name as Balaji and last name as Ravi, that is being passed here. HTTP put. So whenever you want to add a put method, you have to pass the equivalent ID. You have to supply your equivalent ID here, and you have to pass all your payload in requested part. Okay, good. I think yeah, this is pretty much it. Let's pick our day 5 task. Okay, thank you.